I don't buy shitty books. If a man or a woman, not a sexist, comes to me with a brilliant idea for a doable cookbook that unlocks the potential of your pantry, I buy that book. You are that author. Creative type. Hello. You've done it. Written a cookbook. Massive undertaking. Not everyone can do it. I wouldn't want to. Not that I couldn't. I'd be more inclined to write something a little more impactful, like the Bible. Problem is, he won't promote it.
I haven't even opened it.
Why not? It's brilliant, especially with my guiding hand.
Well, my mom died
What? Recently?
20 years ago.
Whew. Thank goodness. No time wasted on a funeral. All right, off you go to the company therapist. Get your head sorted. Go on. The authors do say that I am inspirational, muse-like even. I love them and they love me, not in a sexual way. I mean, look at them. There's a reason they write books and aren't on the telly. Me? I was in a commercial once. If I open it, it means she'll never see it.
Of course you won't see it. Oh, emotionally. Why don't you tell me about the book?
Well, I wanted this book to be fun and comforting and just warming. And I wanted it to be a book that people actually cooked out of. There's so many cookbooks that it's easy to just forget about them after you flip through them, but I wanted people to cook out of this so much that it's like dirty and always on their countertop. And so I included a bunch of different types of recipes in here. There's like the cookbooky recipes that you expect to find in cookbooks, you know, with the procedure and the ingredients, but there are also a bunch of vibey, no recipe recipes that you can just skim and figure out what to do with an ingredient. And there's like 25 of these in the veg intro alone. So there's peppered throughout the book. And I also wanted to make sure the ingredients were accessible. I want this book to feel comforting and familiar and warming. And even if you don't know where the dishes are inspired from, they still taste so familiar to you that they kind of start tasting like home. Because my childhood home is gone.